Uh, Hi everyone, welcome to Maths video class 6th exercise 20A. Question number 7 was going on, or question number 7 is done, or it was given homework. Okay, question number 8 is cancelled. Sorry, extremely sorry. Question number 7 I have to explain. Question number 6 was given. Question was up to question number 6 we have done it in the last video. Okay, last to last videos. So now seventh one, see the seventh question. Show that value of x cube minus 8x square plus 12x minus 5 is 0 when x is equal to 1. Means it is given that x is equal to 1. So substitute wherever x is there, you have to substitute 1 there. And is 0 means is equal to 0. Means if you will submit 1 in place of x and you will solve the value, it should be 0. If it is not coming 0 means there is some problem in the solution. Means you have to prove. Okay. Let's see that. Show that the value. So if you will see here x cube, what you have to prove? To prove is x cube minus 8x square plus 12x minus 5 is equal to 0 when x is equal to 1. Okay, so value of x is 1 because it's given value of x 1. So minus 8, again instead of x 1 square plus 12 1 minus 5. Alright, so 1 cube is 1. You know 1, why I have written 1 cube as 1? 1 cube means 1 into 1 into 1. So 1 ones are 1, 1 ones are 1. So 1. 8 again square, 1 into 1, 1 ones are 1. 12 ones are 12 minus 1. So 1 as it is, 8 ones are 8 plus 12 minus 5. So add all the positives. So this is positive, this is positive. 12 plus 1, 13. Add all the negatives. 8 and 15 is 13 and subtract them. Add all the positives, add all the negatives and subtract them. So 13 minus 13 is 0. So what we have done is we have proved that this equals to 0 when x equals to 1. Okay. So question number 8, true or false? No need to do it because true and false is not asked in exams. Okay, so 8th one is cancelled. So question number 9, if you will see, if x is equal to 2, y is equal to 5 and z is equal to 4, find the value of each of the following. Okay, so same thing, substitution. Now it is in case of fraction. So here again cancellation will be there, division will be there. So x upon 2x square. So value of x is 2 upon 2 into 2 square is equal to 2 upon 2 into 4. What I have done is here 2 as it is, 2 as it is, 2 2s are 4. It's not this 2 into 2. It's 2 multiplied by itself 2 times. Always remember. Okay, so 2 2s are 4. 2 with 2 gets cancelled. So nothing is there. 2 1s are 2 1s are. So 1 upon 4 is the final answer. Xz upon yz. See, there are two methods. I can cancel zz here itself. Here itself, and then only x by y is left. So 2 by 5 is equal to 2 by 5. Or if you are getting confused, then follow the regular method. 2 multiplied by 4. Why? Because value of x is 2, value of z is 4, and value of y is 5, and value of z is 4. So 4 with 4 gets cancelled. 2 by 5. So previous method also can work. Okay. So z raised to x. Now miss how to do it because it's different. Yes. So don't worry. Substitute the value of z and x as usual. So the substitute the value of z is 4 and value of x is 2. Okay. So you know 4 square means 4 multiplied by itself 2 times. So 4 4s are 16. Same y raised to x, 5 square because value of y is 5 and value of x is 2. 5 5s are 25. Fifth one, if you'll see, x square, y square, z square, x, z. So what I have done is I've just substituted the value. Otherwise you can cancel 1z with 1. 2 z's are there, 1 z can cancel with this. And 1x can cancel with this directly here in this first step. But let's not go for confusion because it is little big question. So 2 square multiplied by 5 square multiplied by 4 square upon 2 multiplied by 4. So this is just substitution we have done. So 2 into 2, this 2 square means 2 into 2, 5 square means 5 5s are 25, directly I have written, and 4 4s are 16. upon 2 into 4. So 2 with 2 gets cancelled, 4 with 4, 4 4s are 16. So 2 25s are 50, 54s are 200. Okay. Yeah. So 5x raised to 4, y square, z square, 2x square. So 5 into 2 into 5. So this is substitution I have done here, children, according to xyz values. So substitution has been done. So 5, 2 multiplied by itself 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4 multiplied by 5 into 5 multiplied by 4 into 4 upon 2 into 2 square. So 2 multiplied by 2. This 2 is this, and 2 square means 2 multiplied by itself 2 times. Okay. So cancel wherever possible 1, 1, 1, 1, this with this. What is left is 5, 2, 5, 5, 4, 4. You have to multiply 5 2s are 10, 10 5s are 50, 55s are 250, 250 multiplied by, see, 5 2s are 10, 10 5s are 50, 55s are 250. So 250 multiplied by 16. So just multiply and get the answer. Okay. So 7th one, if you'll see, xy upon y square z. See, here I have done that. X multiplied by y, this y square z. So y into y, z, y with y gets cancelled. So value of x is 2 and value of y and z, y is 5 and 4, that is, so 2 1s are 2 2s are 1 upon 5 2s are 10. So 1 upon 10, or other method I have given, directly substitution. Okay, you can follow this in previous questions also. So question number 8 is homework, children. Just go through. I have solved it. Please solve it and keep your notebooks updated. All right. And question number 10, if you'll see, if a equals to 3, find the values of a square and 2 raised to a. 2 raised to a. So a square is, I have to solve. Substitute value, nothing else. What is the value of a? Value of a is 3. So a, instead of a I have written 3 square. So 3 3s are 9. Okay. And 2 raised to a. 2 raised to a. What's the value of a? Value of a is 3. So 2 raised to 3. So 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. That is 8. Okay. Then last question of this exercise 20a. If m is equal to 2, find the difference between the values of 4m cube and 3m raised to 4. Difference between the values of 4m cube and 3m raised to 4. So 4m, first what you will do is, so first we'll find out individual values of these two terms, this, and then we'll subtract them because difference is asked. So first find the difference between values. So first find the value, individual values of these two, and then subtract them. So 4m cube, 4 into 2 raised to 3. Why 2 here? Because value of m is given 2. Okay. So in exams it may be something else. So 4 multiplied by 2, 2 multiplied by 2, because it is taken 3 times. So 4 8, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. So 4 8 is 32. Alright. 3m raised to 4, if you will see, value of m is 2. So 2 raised to 4, 3, 3 to the 6, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. So 6 8 is 48. Now their difference means subtract. So obviously bigger one, the greater one should be written first and then the smaller one. So 48 minus 32, 16. Alright. So here we have finished this exercise. Solve the exercise properly, correctly, and study hard for the term 1. Okay.